Cars for Beginners. Stage 0 tune. While you look at these nuts, I want to thank you guys for being a part of ROKR's Drive Club. This series is for people that know little to nothing about cars. I know I can't please everyone and I may omit some stuff to help keep these videos easy to understand. Think of these videos kind of like a Cars 101 course. Lastly, if these videos are helping, please don't forget to follow and comment what car you're driving. Let's say you're getting a used car and you want to modify it for performance. Then the first thing you need to do is what's called a Stage 0 tune. This is something new car enthusiasts don't like to hear, but it could be the difference between making or breaking your car. A Stage 0 tune is getting your car as close to stock as possible, being that the parts on the cars may get worn over time. This could be as simple as a tune-up, such as the oil change, spark plugs, ignition coils, or wires, to more in-depth things like vacuum lines and hoses. Generally, anything that looks broken, fix it with either OEM or above OEM. This saves you time down the road when you're trying to figure out something that's not working properly. When it's done, you'll have a like-new platform ready for upgrades. Can you guess in the comments what's the best first upgrade? Spoiler alert, it's not horsepower. And if you're new, welcome. And swipe right to check out the car dictionary.